Hello, everybody. Welcome to XM Live Trading Session in the Advanced Room. It's Guess the Trade Friday with me. My name is Junaid Vahid, and Stanislav Kolev will be the other expert as always. We are back. Before we start talk about the markets, I'd like to say huge hello, happy Friday, and happy Guess the Trade session. Stanley, how are you doing?
Happy Juni. It's so on. Everything is great. Good to see. We had multiple sessions yesterday. We have been talking about the stock markets, trading actively individual stocks. So we've had some good session with you, and also the other expert back then was Gil Pass as well. So very good midweek um, what it's called revision of what's going on, and looking forward to trade absolutely everything with you right now because we got some different moves that we had so far. I'm not gonna jeopardize too much, but I like pretty much what's going on because we got I mean whatever. I think that with this current environment, whatever type of trader you are, whether you're a scalper, intraday swing trader, you got so many possibilities and opportunities. And how are you doing? And do you agree with what I say?
I'm doing great. Everything is nice. When the volatility is high, I think most of traders are very happy. Correct, because this is what trading means to have difference in price movements where we make money. And if there are stable markets, traders not make money because there are no movements. Since we trade with leverage and try to catch small movements on the markets, this volatility is really helping all traders, all type of traders to make money. Um, which is great. And as we like to say, volatility is back. Most of instruments are quite volatile. Moods are changing. Intraday trading is also good. Swing trading started to really good look good. I don't know about scalpers if they are happy with this. Must be, but knowing what is scalping, they might trade on any markets because they don't need big moves. I think for scalping, since they are trying to catch quick scalps. I don't like to call them trades. It's scalps and like stealing from the market rather than trading with in the market. So I think it's great environment for everybody, for all type of traders. Okay, let's say. Um, yeah, what we do this session to
Go and
support it.
trade everything. Just we need the viewers. And Boyki is already giving some good example here in the chat for the people that have not anticipated this session ever. We're guessing each other positions, but you will have to provide the trades. So first instrument is going to be pound versus Australian dollar. I will have to open the chart, execute a position, and Junior will have to guess as much as possible information about the trade. Entry exit, position management. Um, if I'm having a running trade, is there any fundamental, sentimental bias? Is it only technical trade? What will be the risk to reward? And further data around this. And this will continue from this moment on up until the end of the session. We're going to trade at least one instrument per viewer. And I see some very interesting instruments that we have from Jeff and Boyke, who are the first to speak this session. And also we got Matt tuning in. Some very interesting instruments. Thank you so much for bringing some good list. We are trading at least one instrument per viewer, and as soon as we run out of new viewers, we're gonna trade your second, third, fifth, and as many. So don't satisfy with giving us just one. Give us as many. I also love the way that you organize your instruments in the chat, guys, to make my job easy. Just copy paste on the cheat sheet where I follow. So you're absolutely fantastic. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Did I miss something?
I don't think so. And
That's
also the most important thing is
yeah.
to be active, guys.
And the idea is to prove that no matter of the market conditions, there is always a possibility to anticipate the market and, of course, potentially generate profit. Everything we say here, it's our personal opinion. It has nothing to do with. Um, it's not an investment advice. Let's put it just like this. Taka, I'm trading. Juni is guessing. I'm trading. Juni is guessing.
Yeah. Stainless trading, I'm guessing.
Alright, I'm ready.
Uh, okay. Sterling Aussie, right?
Yep. Pound Aussie. Then the next instrument is going to be Aussie Swissy from yesterday.
Aussie
uh,
Swiss from yesterday.
yeah.
I don't know Aussie Swiss from yesterday.
Mm, Jeff knows about it. That's why I say that.
Okay. Okay. I think Stanley is selling pound Aussie. We got deflationary, recessionary data this morning on UK. We have rejecting from the highs, prices declining down. I don't have any buy setup here from Stanley's perspective. Multiple rejections on the daily. 4 hour, we have double. Some people call it triple top. Three drives pattern, shortening of the trust, kind of slow down in the momentum. 1 hour chart, consolidation, big drop. The problem is that this move kind of happened. So trading on the 1 hour chart, it's tricky, looks like, but there's no buy signal here. Just the zone might be considered as a good zone. But why he would buy it? I don't have any reason he buys it. No signal, nothing as of now. 30-minute nothing, and last 15-minute I am probably gonna say sell. Yes, there is 15-minute rejections and price is not below it, but if he buys here with this, let's say what could be the buy in 15 minutes? If he buys, the stop could be below this lows, like 30 pips, and he could expect 60 and something, some more pips to the upside. But moving to the bigger time frame, it's very strong bearish impulse. So I would say he's gonna sell. I would sell this double top, for example, at the top or below the low. So if I'm forced, I would sell it, and I think this is gonna have a good risk to reward, good potential for a downside. Yeah, he's selling, in my opinion.
Yeah, I'm sharing the screen. It's nothing to wonder and headbang about this. So yeah, that's a sell. Um, it's a little FOMO. Better entry would be at 8 o'clock in the morning, but since we have to execute now, it's now my stop loss. I put it above the current 4 hour running volumetric candle that is breaking below the low. Potentially, we don't have it yet close. We're going to have it at 51 minutes. I see it here while I look at my watch even. At 50 minutes, we're going to have it. My target is somewhere about this zone, spring here, and I probably will look to buy again. Let's see. It would depend really on the stock market. Also, I, yeah, yeah. And regarding the GDP, yes, we got some data aligning with the last um, Bank of England meeting that we anticipated recently. Met is giving us afterwards pound cut. Hello, Stanley and Dr. Vahid. Are you back? You're back together too, like brothers from different mothers. Exactly. Uh, can you say that again? I'm trading. Juni is guessing. Uh, Next instrument is Aussie Swissy. Juni is trading. I'm guessing. You're just giving instruments now.
Yeah, give instrument and let the rest for us. Don't worry.
Don't fight that. Yeah.
Hey, you, this Swiss franc, I can't even find it on my watch list. I had this when reinstall the platform and need to do everything, all the setups, all the things here. Okay.
That's why you have it on your server, and it will not.
Eh,
You wouldn't have to do this wherever you go. You just log in, and you have your indicators, your templates, your settings, your servers, everything.
ready.
Oh, the Swissy. We talked about that yesterday. Um, have discussed rejection somewhere about this zone 13. We got this leg up, the market dropped down, and we got a false breakout. This is overnight. I don't have a position here. Unfortunately, I don't have a trade. What Juni will do? Daily, we got the spring. We discussed that already. 4 hour. It is. Can he call that head and shoulders? Left, right, head, maybe. 1 hour. I see discrepancy between the time frames. This is where the tricky part is. 15 minute. Is that a sell signal? For him, we don't have the candle close, so what is Juni doing here? Eighty-eight point six. Does he trade a pullback for him to buy again? This is looking formal long, but maybe he has a bigger stop loss. And when I opened, we didn't really have this pressure down. Yeah, when he traded this, we didn't really have this pushing down. I say he will trade that on a big time frame. I think he will buy stop loss below today's low. Target at this high 86. Oh, that's big. This doesn't have risk to reward 1 hour. No, he doesn't have a sell signal. If he's shorting, it's just some speculative sell. Yeah, there is no sell. The question is for the buy. Where is the stop? Ah, I found it. Buy with the stop loss below previous candle. Yeah, we got a breakout. We got a breakout. We got a retest. Stop loss below previous 1 hour candle. This is nice long pin bar candle. And the target is open. If the market pulls back, he wants to get out of here. And now he has some nice risk to reward. 70 for 10 pips. Yes, I found it, I think.
Mm, let me share. I will set it up now. I'm sharing.
Oh, even wider. Okay. Oh, the
Uh,
first. Okay.
I
That's.
am opening long because of the price action, but where I'm gonna place the target will kind of depend on the way that the candle will close in the next 40 minutes, 40, 45 minutes, because based on the analysis I have, I think this can make some volatility before it breaks. So if I choke it here, I might get stopped out because this is impulse and it's extended compared to the previous rallies, and it can make pullback. So that's why I'm using lower stop loss, because every impulse has its own correction. End of the impulse is beginning of the correction. How big the correction will be depends on many other factors, and it could be deeper. So if I choke it here, uh, actually it's not that bad, but if it comes here, I don't have bearish expectations so much. So I think that it can stay like this and go up. I decided to put it on the major swing low, where is the impulse, because we don't have swing here, so I can basically go for it. On the 4 hour chart, this 4 hour candle makes sense in general to place stop below this low, because if this 4 hour, let's say next 45 minutes, this comes and closes like this, like a big pin bar rejecting from the previous pin bar in the hidden level of resistance territory, it could be bearish, but still I feel like it might not break the low here, and it can come close and then go up. I kind of technically see this as going up. I don't have any fundamental support. I have technical view for strong rally.